My boyfriend's gonna try to get some little coconut things off this tree that we can eat because our nuts are almost gone, and we need nuts every day. Brazil nuts, all those good stuff. We have a lot of fruit. If we can get these coconut little thingies, that will be perfect, and then we can definitely survive and be happy and eat everything we need. We just wish we brought more alcohol for our alcohol stove, because then we could have cooked beans and stuff, because we found beans today. And there's even like cassava we didn't take. That was in other people's yards. But they were kind of not ready yet to be harvested. Let's see if we can get some coconuts. Cuidado. My boyfriend makes his own ladders and bridges impromptu. Cuidado. Joga aqui. Yes. Yes. We can open these with rocks and eat the delicious coconut inside. Yes. Mais, claro. Tá acabando castanha agora, salvou. Eles são bem bons. Obrigada.
Tenta quebrar pra ver.
I'm gonna crack open these coconuts with a rock, and we've broken the rock, but not the coconut. They're really hard. We managed to get one open. It's really tasty.
Nossa senhora. Enfiar. Ai, caralho.
Duro. Será que ele é uma coisa importante? Será que ele era um pedra importante? Não, né?
Quem quebrou? Ah, caralho.
Quebra não.
Com ferro isso.
Really tough. Ow. Quebrou? Ah, coquinho. Little coconut. Pouquinho carne. Muito trabalho.
Muito verde.
Really green coconut, not ripe enough. É, se deixar uma mais na árvore, fica mais madura. Vou te botando num saquinho aqui. So he's cracking up the coconuts with a rock, and I'm taking out the meat and bagging it in this plastic bag. So we have an assembly line going now, and this is going to be great in our oatmeal in the morning. Tiny coconuts. There's all kinds of coconuts in Brazil, not just the kind that you see on the beach. A lot of trees give coconuts, and each one has a little bit of water in it and meat. So there's all kinds of coconuts. They're really awesome. Good morning. Had a good night's rest, and today we are making oatmeal with the coconut bits that we broke and took out of the coconuts last night. We got this little bit of coconut meat from all those little coconuts that we broke with rocks. It was a lot of work, but it was fun. Pode botar mais no teu copo. Não precisa tanto pedaço, não. Vou dividir. I'm telling my boyfriend how to make the oatmeal because he put too much banana in my cup. We're making it in here. Oatmeal, banana, flax, hot water. Here we go. But I think we're going to have to leave today because we don't really have anything to eat for dinner. I wanted to let you guys know that I also cut my thumb last night while trying to cut the coconut meat out of these things because I'm not really good at using knives and I need to be more careful and learn. And there was blood everywhere and I was worried, but it's fine now. I got a Band-Aid on and I'm curing up